So yes, hello, and here I am again to unbox this what do I call this, lip balm from Nature Republic of Exo, yes. So I can't wait to open this. So I'm being quiet because all of the members of the family I'm with is already sleeping, so shh. Okay, shh. Yes, so I bought this lipstick on the mall, and oh my god, I can't wait to see this. So let's go. Okay, first let's, oh, how do I do this? Yeah, wait, oh my god, yes. I bought also some K-pop merchandise, but I'm not going to show you. Yes, so here it is. Ta-da! Oh my god! So there's something inside. Oh, none. Okay, so oh my god, it's oh, right there. Look. Wow, and there's also signature of Sehun right there. Okay. Wow, diba? Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute, seriously. And it's written in Hangul. Also, I can read Hangul, but not all of it is I can understand. Yes. So come on. Oh my god. I don't want to ruin anything of this. Just wait, okay? Oh, right there. Sorry. Exo butter lip balm. Wow. Sehun. Yes, right there. Oh my god. Right there. Yes, my butt. Yeah, chugs. Wow, diba? Wow, diba? So, I'm sorry. It smells amazing. Oh my god, I can imagine Sehun. So, yes. And also on the bottom. Right there. Yes. Okay. So, there. Also, next time I'm going to unboxing some of my albums, or I'm going to buy some albums. So yes, I'll be back soon. And oh, I'm going to unbox some light stick because I ordered online. Yes, so I'm ending it here. So yes, bye, and also thank you for watching, and please give more support to EXO if you're fan of EXO or XOL. Yes, oh, XOL. Yes, thank you for watching, and bye. Good night, everyone. Bye. Bye. Sehun. Good night. Bye. Sehun.